All right, there he is. There goes IWS 6819. I just came back from work. From shop right. There he is. Right on time. Perfect time. I think it got stuck in the middle. Alright, I got my train whistle. Let's do a horn battle from part 2 or part 3. Let's do it. Here he is. There he is. Oh. Sun is coming out. Two of them. There's 2 workers on IWS. Horn battle. Bag up in the air. No truck in. No truck's closed in. I see about to turn around. There he is. Horn battle and horn whistle salute. Get a horn show and a whistle battle. And there goes IWS 6819. figure he's gonna do a loud horn, a long horn with my whistle. That's it. There's my train whistle. That's it. That's what you call whistle versus truck horn. That's it.